Hi, Hubby Kids. Today we are going to be opening the Lex Luthor dinosaur. $18 in front of the toy store. Let's get open it. And my name's Colt, and my dad's name's Scott, and we are gonna open this right now. So now we are gonna, so if you push this button, it turns it into Dinotron. And then you just pull this back and it turns on. And I'm gonna turn it on. It's gonna be a little loud for you, but I bet you'll enjoy that. Wasn't that fun? For the pseudos. And my brother's not over here, but now he's coming, and we're gonna do it in 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. And you move these to make his mouth open. And you push this to make the drill go. And let's try throwing some baseballs at it. Let's try throwing some baseballs at it to see if it can knock over. This. I almost got it. We're gonna, now let's use a big ball. Oh. We're gonna hit it. We got it, Hobby Kids. And if you want to know, and if you were asking why does he have, his head looks like Optimus Prime, because he's a new dinosaur from $18. And they made him different to remind him of, but I don't know why he looks like, Optimus Prime, but he is awesome. Subscribe here for Bite So.